What's good, y'all? Welcome to another video. Yo, you need to move over. But welcome to another video, y'all. We are on our way to I just had my car in manual. What the hell? Did y'all hear that shit? What the fuck is that? Shifting gears and manual? What the fuck? Okay, so we are currently on our way to Lowe's because I am brainless of my transmission. I am going to do the 5-gallon bucket. I guess you can go ahead and make it a challenge. You know what I'm saying? I have not gardened. I have not did any gardening in 5-gallon buckets. I use like containers, but I do have some Home Depot 2.5-gallon buckets that I have my peppers in. But I think that the only reason why my peppers, this year I had a lot of blossom end rot when it came to my peppers. So I think a lot of my blossom end rot came from, put y'all right here so y'all can, hopefully y'all can see me. You can see my dirty steering wheel. I think a lot of my blossom end rot came from, my, I think the container is too small and maybe the plant was root bound. You know what, I don't even like that. Let me get it back over here so y'all can see me. And maybe the plant was root bound. And so, you know, the roots didn't have enough room to stretch or do anything because, you know, it's in a 2.5-gallon bucket. So, I don't know. Maybe that was the issue. I tried the Tums. The Tums did work a little bit as far as like adding calcium. I've added bone meal. I've added a lot of things to it. I have not added manure or anything like that. But I do mix up my own soil and stuff like that. So, yeah, we're gonna try to figure out what's going on and why my stuff kept getting blossom end rot. And I believe it was because the roots it was root bound, and the roots didn't have enough time, you know, enough room to stretch out. Like in the 5-gallon bucket, they can go way, way down there. You see what I'm saying? So we're gonna go to Lowe's. I would go to Home Depot, but I do not like my Home Depot. I'm gonna get some starts too, because I don't have time to do start no seeds right now, simply because my daughter is sick with hand, foot, and mouth, I believe. Hopefully it's not C19, but I believe it's hand, foot, and mouth, because she got like little dots all over her. But then you'll never know, because they said that's the babies get C19 rash. So I don't know. So yeah, we're finna go to Lowe's, get some food grade safe buckets, and we're gonna pick out us a start. See you there. All right, so we have made it to Lowe's, and I put my jacket over it. It's a little chilly out here today. My cardigan. And I'm gonna take you guys with me into the store. My tripod. Yeah, I gotta get comfortable vlogging in public. I really would like to make this something I want to do all the time. So if I want to do that, I kind of need to get comfortable vlogging in public. Now see, I was gonna try to thug it out, and not use a coat, but you know, I have my coat on today. Come on. It's kind of cold out here today, and it's kind of like raining. So, we're out here. Let's see what we're going to try to put in the 5-gallon buckets that we're going to get. We have some broccolini, which is my favorite. I love broccolini. Let's see. This actually looks good. Broccolini. We got broccolini. I tried to do broccoli last year, but this one looks really good. Get that broccolini. And let's see. We just want to get some starts, y'all. I don't like how the starts be looking all like leggy and stuff. That kind of like blow me a little bit. That one look good. So, and we're gonna get one more. I don't want no lettuce because I already have lettuce. Let's find us another good broccoli start. I try to look for ones that the leaves look really good. Nothing is like messed up. This one looks perfect, so these look good. So we're gonna do these 3 broccoli right here. So let's get ready to go into Lowe's and find some buckets. So I need some more Pure Light, so we want to get some Pure Light. Well, with that one. And let's go find the bucket. Alrighty, so we have made it to the buckets. Oh, they got Alabama bucket. I don't think this is food grade safe. Roll Tide. Roll Tide. It might be food service. Let me see. I think this one's for sure food. Here's some food grade safe things right here, as you can see. But we're gonna do Roll Tide. Because they say, I think they have the HDPE2 on it. So Roll Tide. Look-de-doos, only 3 left. Roll Tide. All right, so yeah, these 5 gallons. So they're the same price. So one is $7.98, and Alabama is $7.98 too. And Alabama is sold out because I just took the last 3. So yeah, so we got what we need, y'all. So let's go check out. We're back. All that stuff I got costed about $44 and some change. Let's see. I'll show you exactly. So it's not hard to start a garden, guys. This cost me, I bought the 3 Alabama buckets. That's cost the same amount as the it costs the same amount as the regular food grade buckets. I bought the 3 broccoli plants, and I bought some Pure Light, and everything came up to $47.80. $47.80. So yeah, it's not hard to try to start a garden, you guys. Just go ahead and do it. Just do it. Just do it, y'all. Just do it. It make me happy it make me happy to know that I try to grow my own food, and on top of that, I'm doing it inside of an apartment. An apartment at that. So yeah, y'all. Go ahead and do it. Grow your own food, man. I'm gonna get back home to my baby girl. I know I told you guys that my baby girl, she's sick. So I'm finna get back home to her. And then I will probably plant these things maybe in the next couple days or so. I'm gonna try to hurry up and get them in the ground. But yeah, so that was like a little shot with me to get my gardening supplies. And the next video is gonna be me putting those, mixing up my soil and putting those in the ground. So we're just gonna do a little bit by a little bit, y'all. A little bit by a little bit. Well, let me put this phone down because somebody on my comments got, something fell over. Somebody got nasty with me in the comments because I had my phone and was driving on one of my other videos. So they say I'm an accident waiting to happen. But anyway, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. I really do hope. Yup. You bet I had smashed nothing back there. Bucket. But I hope that my stuff didn't get smashed because I'd be devastated because I won't come out and buy another plant. But anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Be sure to like and subscribe too and comment. Let me know what you're growing this season. Bye.